Let's face it, you're busy, the kind of busy that keeps pushing retirement planning to the bottom of your list. But here's the truth: time won't wait, and neither will your future. Every year you delay planning costs you lost savings, fewer options, and more pressure down the line. And the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. That's why I created the Retire Ready Jumpstart Bundle, a streamlined, guided system made for busy professionals. You'll get a step-by-step roadmap covering mindset, money, retirement, and estate, and a 3-week financial incubator, along with 2 short but powerful one-on-one sessions, all designed to fit your real life. You see, you don't need hours, you need direction. This bundle gives you structure, clarity, and momentum fast. Secure your bundle, secure your retirement. Visit retireready.yourgoalsyourplans.com to get started.